Hello guys, today you see the flip one. Hi guys, today is Dan and this is my room door. So it's so good. Always get Elsa and Anna, Elsa and that's Crystal, Anna, Ben and Olaf. So that is how I can't reach it. So in the comments, so you can reach higher if you can. Hey guys, this is my room. Right, so you look like this is the good bathroom. I want to show you the bathroom next time. You see in the comments, and I'll show you next video of the bathroom. Comment down below. Hello, like my video, like and leave a channel. Subscribe. Dear Connor, in the comment down below, leave a video. I'm gonna see the bathroom next.